Well, hello friends, welcome to our channel Autism and Beyond, a positive journey of JNB. This is episode number 18. In this episode, we are showing how baby steps in the kitchen has made Joanne slowly independent to make healthy breakfast like idlis and dosas independently on her own, and she's doing a pretty fair job. Well, in fact, most of you will resonate that whenever generally we go on holidays, etc., idlis and dosas are considered to be the most safest diet while traveling because they are more hygienic. Because idlis, as you all know, they are steamed and they have less oil. Even dosas has less oil, so there are less chances of any accidents like upset in the stomach. So this is what we used to always prefer, whenever we used to go on unpredictable routes. See, Bryden is helping to peel the potatoes, and eventually we are going to make the bhaji, which will be going along with the dosas what Joanne is preparing now. So basically it's all the family involvement in the total preparation of the food in the Rodrigues family. Prior to the pandemic, we used to be having a house help who used to be managing making of all these idlis, dosas, batters, etc. But then during the pandemic, that wasn't possible. So we started venturing to learn to make the batter, etc. Yes, there was times like wherein the consistency was not proper. But then all of that is a learning process, and eventually we can say now yes, we have mastered the art and we are very well doing the batters, idlis, dosas, everything independently on our own as Rodrigues family as one unit.
So now you can see how Joanne is quite independent in making the dosas. In the same way, she has also become independent in making idlis as well. We try to make these activities interesting for the children. So we have added a variation by adding a little chutney to the idlis as a filling, and this also helps the same to look visually appealing as well. So finally, when Joanne cuts the idlis prior to serving, she can see a nice green infill as well. So basically, we just did not accomplish a task but also inculcated the habit of healthy eating in the home environment. Now Joanne loves preparing dosas, mix uttapam, idlis with or without chutney filling.
So friends, as you have seen, Joanne is preparing most of the breakfast details, etc. And the next thing that we are looking to teach her is what I'm preparing right now. This is knee dosa. This has got a typical consistency and it requires a particular finesse. So this is what we are planning to work with her next, and I'm sure that she is going to achieve within no time. So basically, having said that, as you have seen on our episodes on the YouTube, we are sharing various things that we are working with our children and how they are achieving it also. But then having said that, what we are trying to emphasize here also is that see, every child is different. Don't hold Joanne and Bryden as benchmarks. That since Joanne and Bryden are doing, that means other kids also should do. Because having two kids on the spectrum, we know that certain things what Joanne can do, probably Bryden cannot do, and vice versa. So probably you should look at what is best in your children and try to hone on those skills, and definitely you will see wonders happening on its own. And basically give your children enough of a breather. Don't force them into something, and make whatever activity that you're trying to teach them, make it more fun oriented. So what we are saying is try to look at the strength in your children and hone those, and gradually you will see wonders unfolding and phenomenal things happening on its own. So friends, thank you for watching, and keep supporting us as always. And as we always say, try to share these videos so that probably more number of parents may get inspiration, and we can share it with we can learn with each other. And till then, stay safe and stay blessed, and thank you for watching once again.